Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to accept payment online? In this video, I will walk you through how to use Stripe in 2025 from setting up your account to receiving your first payment payout. Perfect for beginners. Stripe. What is Stripe? Stripe is a global payment platform that lets you accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and bank payments used by millions of websites and apps. Now, go to stripe.com with your fresh web browser, then click enter your email and click start now. Enter full name and country name, choose a strong password and confirm your account from your email. Use your business email if possible for faster verification. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click activate your account or complete profile. Fill out business details, your business type, then personal information, business details, public details, then add your bank accounts like Chase, Bank of America, PNC, USAA, TD Bank, personal details for identity verification, and review and submit. Now, Stripe uses this information to verify who you are and where to send your money. That's it. Accepting payments. Two options. First of all, no website. Use payment links. Go to payments from your settings tab or from the left sidebar. Then click payment links. Then click new. Add a product like mug or printed mug. Add product details in description. Copy and share the link. You can add price. Then click add product. Now copy the link from here and paste it anywhere. Then with website like Shopify, WordPress, etc. Go to your e-commerce platform like Shopify. Log into your account. Now go to settings, then payments, then click add payment method, search for Stripe. Again, go to payments or choose a provider. And now search for Stripe and select it and follow the process. Like connect your Stripe account with your e-commerce website. You don't need to code. Stripe is beginner friendly and works with almost every platform. Go to Payments tab to see customer purchases. Click Payout from here. To check when you will get paid, Stripe typically pays out in 2 to 7 business days, depending on your country. Checkout page automatically hosted payment pages with built-in security. Go to Products, then click New Product, then generate a Stripe checkout link. Okay, Invoicing. Go to Invoices tab from your dashboard, Billings tab, then Invoices. Then click Create Test Invoice. Enter your customer name, currency, items, request payment or auto charge customer, templates, etc. When Stripe sends it directly to the client. Use this if you are a freelancer or offer services. Extra features. Stripe also supports subscriptions, great for SaaS or memberships. Fraud protection with Radar. Text Text automation mobile apps for Stripe on iOS and Android. So that's how you use Stripe in 2025. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more tutorials and comment Stripe ready for a free Stripe setup checkout. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.